Well guys, we're leaving Refugio State Beach, heading to the bike shop in Goleta. Got to get my bike fixed and then we're off. Continue the adventure. But yeah, one thing about stealth camping I wanted to say is there's nowhere to charge anything, and I had to stealth camp 2 days in a row there. So, and I already had like less than 1 battery of juice for my GoPro to work with. So I barely got any footage of like 3 days there. I just wanted to let you know why. You know, I made 1 battery last like 2 to 3 days. It's pretty intense is what you want to say, I suppose. But anyways, let's get off to this bike shop down that road, man. Let's go. Well, back on the 101 South. Let's make some time. Go get this bike fixed. Hope we make it there. Turns out the bike shop's 15 miles. Actually, I'm lucky there's one so close. Although I broke the spoke like 35 miles back. The tire's like way out of round.
South for 12 miles.
I had to disconnect the brakes, so I'm running with just front brakes. Which is 90% of your stopping power anyway. Oh, there's that ocean. Oh yeah. What a nice day. Got some haze in the air, but the sun will burn that off like it does every day. So nice. So I'm only 50 miles from Ventura, which means I'm only 250 miles away from my destination, the Mexican border. Yeehaw! Hell yeah, man. So when you look at the big picture, this trip is almost done. Pretty cool. Now I gotta get my Cocapelli Hornet Light pack raft. Or I should say bike raft. Yeah, buddy. Boring stretch here. cruising along at 19 miles an hour. $20, $21. Next 5 exits. I can't believe how Lompoc exploded. It was just a small town 23 years ago, and now it's like 40-some thousand people. Like, holy sheep shit, man. Hey guys, we are on State Street. Yeah, buddy. State Street, Santa Barbara. I think this goes straight into downtown Santa Barbara, actually. Okay. Oh, look at this. The more you weigh, the harder you are to kidnap. Stay safe, drink beer. Ha ha ha. Oh, I'm going. That guy was hauling ass on an electric bike. A lot of them around. Look at all these ones right here. Guess you rent them. Just type in your number, boom, boom, grab it and go. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Well, I guess I passed every place. Place I might want to stop. Only had 12 miles to go to get to the campground. Maybe there'll be a gas station or something I'll stop at along the way. Maybe. Or if I see a grocery store, I'll stop. Hell yeah.
Turn left.
Go, man, there's a pier. I almost want to go down there.
Continue for 1 mile.
I don't see any bikes on the pier. If I saw bikes, I'd go on it. But it might not be allowed and it'd be a waste of time.
How about you?
Santa Barbara. Kind of in the way now, aren't they? Oh, do 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 do. Xena the Warrior Mantis just wants to haul ass today. Haul ass, she says. Get up on it and go. Uh-oh, I see. Well, we made it out of Santa Barbara. That's a good thing. Yeah, I don't like the cities, man. Especially Santa Barbara for some reason. Ventura's not so bad for some reason. I kind of consider that home. I suppose because I lived there for 5 years. For 5 years. Working, and once a year I take a bike tour. Except for the second year,
I took 3 bike tours. One of them was up and down the coast, and then another one was just down the coast. So I suppose it was 2, because I rode from Ventura up to Seattle with the intention of working for a month, which I did. But the people ended up staying with their partiers, so I had to contribute, and I didn't save enough money. So instead of taking the ferry to Alaska, camping out on the deck for 3 days, enjoying the cruise, I rode back down to Ventura. And then ran into my old friend Joseph right away. 2 days later, we're on the Greyhound back up to Seattle to ride the coast again. So technically that's 2 trips. 2 tours. First one was up the coast and down the coast. Then the year after that, I rode to Minnesota. And then the year after that, I cruised the coast for a few hundred miles, about 500 I believe, and then cut across California and across the Mojave Desert to Arizona, and then back across the Mojave Desert again, and back over the San Bernardino Mountains, back to the coast and up to Ventura. That was about 2,400 miles. And the year after that, I rode to Minnesota again from Ventura. And of course, the first one, Route 66. Ventura down the coast to Santa Monica, where I picked up 66 and took it all the way to Chicago. And then the bus to Minnesota. And then a bus back to Ventura. We are cruising. Hey guys, we are here, Carpinteria. Haha, we made it. Carpinteria State Beach, where they used to have a bike and hike. We're gonna find out really soon if they still do. I am hoping they do, man, because I don't think Xena can go much farther. I don't know. It's 14 miles of Ventura. We're gonna make it with a busted ass spoke from like how far back? Let's see. Let's see, 22, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37 to 40 miles today. So, and it happened by going up that big hill coming out of Lompoc. So 47 plus about 20 more.
How are you?
So about 67 miles with a busted spoke. Not too bad. All right, I'm gonna see if I can get checked in here. I'll talk to you guys in a while. Well guys, we made it to Carpinteria State Beach. What a great day, man. Hell yeah. We just hauled ass to Santa Barbara. That was pretty cool, down State Street. That was nice. I didn't expect to go down that way. But anyways, here we are. There's Xena the Warrior Mantis, proud hill conqueror, with a busted spoke, but she did great, man. Put on many miles, many miles. I'm only got 14 to go to get to Ventura, and we'll get her fixed. And there's our house for the night, our hotel room, I should say. Yep, and that's just a different campsite over there. Here's the bike and hike. We got one cyclist over there so far. He said there's supposed to be another guy coming, but who knows who's gonna show up. There could be tons of people showing up, or it could be none. We'll just have to wait and see, man. All right, I will, I suppose, catch you guys later. Hey, we got the beach right over there. Other side of them sand dunes. Might have to go check it out later. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know, I'm pretty tired. Pretty tired today. Tired. All right, talk to you guys later. Peace.